Hey everybody, it's Mr. Spencer. Today is 2/13/2018, and we are going to start step 5 of the research process. So if you could please go to courses and go down to our course, which is A4 section 6, and you're going to click the research project folder. And once you click that folder, you're going to see that the various steps that we've completed are available to you here, and there are different assignments that were supposed to be either submitted online through Schoology or on hard copy and then put into the completed work basket in class. Today we are going to start step 5, which is creating an outline for our research paper. So we're going to click that folder, and once you do, it's going to bring you to two files. One is a Word file entitled Sentence Outline Rules and Sample, and then another one called Creating Outlines, and that's a PowerPoint with the PPT at the end. We're going to first start off with the PowerPoint. We're going to click that, and what comes up is the front cover of this PowerPoint, which is Building a Research Paper, Creating Outlines. And this is running with the theme that we've been working with, which is Walt Disney. And Walt Disney was a dynamic figure in American history. And let's look at this sample outline, this topic outline. So this was actually on our last PowerPoint as well to introduce it to us, but let's look at it again. So topic outline is going to basically be the layout for your entire paper. You're going to have an introduction. You're going to have 3 areas that you talk about your particular figure, and then you're going to have your conclusion, which is usually a great way to wrap up that person's leadership or their legacy and how they're remembered. Now, a topic outline can be very detailed. You can lay out specifically what you're going to talk about in the introduction, in the 3 sections, and in the conclusion. Okay? And I want you to use this PowerPoint as a reference. So if you have questions, okay, you need to make sure that you use this PowerPoint as a reference to help you fill in your own personal outline for your character. Now, there is a basic outline form, and that form is provided to you in the Word document that's back in the folder. And today, I just want you to start off trying to complete a main idea and then a second main idea, so your introduction and then your first main idea for your character. And then you're going to be recording some sub-points and then some supporting evidence to support that sub-point. Okay? So really use the detailed topic outline as your template for how to do this assignment. Okay? Now, if you have any questions today, okay, let's say, for instance, you say, Mr. Spencer, I don't know how to apply this outline to my paper. Well, no big deal, no big deal. Just turn to this PowerPoint to help guide you, okay? Let's go back to the folder, and you're going to see a document called Sentence Outline Rules and Sample. Please pull that up. And what I suggest you do is download this work document. And once you've downloaded it, it's going to come up with a Word document like this. And this will be editable. You'll be able to change it. So you can put your cursor in here and change it to fit what it is you are working on, what your research topic is. Okay? And like I said, I want you to fill in section 1 and section 2 today. And if you get those 2 done and you do an excellent job, then you should continue on and continue the rest of the outline and try to get it done so that it looks something like this. All right? This is a very important part of creating a research paper or a paper in general because it really organizes your thoughts and helps you to create the most optimal and organized paper that you can. If you have any questions about anything, please don't hesitate to raise your hand, and I will come to you as soon as I can. Keep in mind that I will be helping other students as well, and so if you're on the list, I will be there as soon as possible, okay? I wish you guys the best of luck, and we will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.